Hi everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. Today, I will show you how to find the money locations in your house. Did you know there are 4 money locations in your house? In this video, I will show you where are the money locations and what do we need to do to increase our wealth luck. Once we found our money locations, we can create good feng shui environment in all of these locations to double and even triple our wealth luck. If there are limitations in one of your money locations, we can still choose to feng shui other money locations to increase your wealth luck. Let's get started. What are the money locations and what do we need to do in these locations to increase wealth luck? The first money location is your money corner. Your money corner is in your living room. It's the corner that's diagonally opposite the entry of your living room. If you stand in the entry and draw a straight line from the entry to the opposite corner, the one with the longest distance is your money corner. But if you have an open floor plan, your money corner is measured from your front door entrance. However, the money corner needs to have a solid wall behind. If there are glass windows or walkway behind your money corner, then it's no longer a money corner because the wealth energy could flow away. You need to make sure the money corner is clean, not too dark or not too bright, and cannot be under the stairs. So how do we increase the money energy in the money corner? The method is that we can place large indoor plants with oval-shaped leaves in this corner. The shape of the leaves represent money. We can also place a money enhancer or money box with some coins in the money corner to attract more wealth luck. The second money location is the west sector of your house in 2021. According to the annual flying star chart, flying stars change directions every year. Therefore, your money location also changes every year. In 2021, number 8 star flies to the west. Number 8 star is an auspicious star. It symbolizes wealth and prosperity. Therefore, the west sector of your house is a money location in 2021. We have to make sure the money location is always kept clean. Do not place any heavy objects in this sector, such as piano or bookshelves. This is because money location doesn't like heavy burden. Heavy burden could lead to financial debt. If the toilet happened to be in the west sector of your house, if that's the case, in 2021, the money location no longer exists because the negative energy from the toilet destroys the money energy. But don't worry, there are other money locations we can work on to enhance your wealth luck. If your living room, dining room, or home office happen to be in the west sector of your house, the method for enhancing your money location in the west sector is to place a fish tank or fountain to activate the money energy. The third money location is your house's money sector, which differs depending on the house's facing and sitting directions, as well as the year the house was built. According to the 3 cycles and 9 periods theory in Feng Shui, we are currently in period 8, which started in 2004 and ends in 2023. Number 8 is the auspicious star. For example, in this picture, if a house is sitting Chou facing Wei, the number 8 flying star flies to the southwest in period 8. Therefore, southwest is the house's money location because it's where the number 8 star is located. Different house sitting and facing directions are different depending on which year the house was built. Another example, if a house was sitting Geng facing Jia and was built in period 8, in this case, number 8 facing star is in the east. Therefore, the money location for this house is in the east. So no matter what period your house was built, whether it was period 7, period 3, or even period 1, and no matter what your house's sitting or facing directions are, all houses has number 8 facing stars, but in different sectors. As long as you can find where is your house's number 8 facing star, that is your money location in period 8. Another money location is the wealth sector of the Bagua map. According to the Bagua map, number 8 is in the northeast. As we are currently in period 8, so number 8 is the lucky number. Therefore, northeast is also the money location in period 8. A method to enhance the money location in the northeast sector is to place some money enhancers, some indoor plants with oval-shaped leaves to enhance your wealth energy. This area needs to be kept clean and should not be a missing area in your house layout. In summary, if you want to quickly improve your wealth and fortune, you must work on the Feng Shui of these 4 money locations. Number 1, create a good Feng Shui environment in your money corner. Number 2, activate the annual flying star number 8 in the west sector of your house in 2021. Number 3, activate your house's number 8 facing star in period 8, which differs depending on your house's directions and the year it was built. And finally, increase the wealth energy in the northeast sector of your house in period 8 based on the Bagua map. I hope you find my video helpful. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.